Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Early last month, Johnny Depp relinquished the role of Gellert Grindelwald after Warner Brothers asked him to resign. Just days later, it was reported that Hannibal actor Mads Mikkelsen was being eyed to replace Depp, and last week, it was officially confirmed that Mikkelsen will indeed be the new Grindelwald. 2 December 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Disney scrapped their plans to have Depp reprise his role in Pirates of the Caribbean 6, which has left many Depp fans in outrage. In place of Johnny Depp's Jack Sparrow will be Margot Robbie's untitled pirate character. 12 January 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.